In front of me is OPPO Reno 4 Pro, and let me show you how to smoothly and easily change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select security and go to SIM card lock right here. Now just click on change SIM PIN, and at first you have to enter the current one, the current code. In my case it's 1234. Click on OK, and it's time to enter the new one, so it can be 2580. Click on OK and then re-enter this PIN. Click on OK, and that's it. As you can see, the process is finished. You've just changed SIM PIN. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.